In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share draw.io files. To get started, open your diagram inside the draw.io editor. Once your file is open, look to the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose Save. This will open a pop-up window where you can decide exactly how and where your diagram will be stored. In that save window, set the file name so it's easy to recognize later, choose the file type you want, and then select the location where you'd like to save it. In this example, the file is being saved to Google Drive, which is a convenient option if you plan to share it with other people. After you've confirmed those details, click Save. This step is important because the file needs to be stored somewhere accessible before you can share it. Once the file has been saved, go to the location where you stored it. For this example, that means opening Google Drive. Find the draw.io file you just saved, then select it. After selecting the file, look to the top right and click Share. A sharing pop-up window will appear, and this is where you control who can access the diagram and what they're allowed to do with it. In the first field, enter the person or people you want to share the file with. You can also adjust the general access settings if you want to make the file available to anyone who has the link. This is useful when you need to share the diagram quickly without adding recipients one by one. Just make sure you choose the right permission level depending on how you want others to interact with the file. You'll usually see options such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer access lets someone open and read the file without making changes. Commenter access is helpful if you want feedback. Editor access allows full changes, so only use that when collaboration is intended. After choosing the right permission, click Send to share it directly. If you prefer, there's also another option. You can click Copy Link, usually located near the bottom left of the share window, and then send that link manually through whatever communication method you prefer. This gives you a little more flexibility, especially if you want to share it outside the platform's built-in send option. And that's it. Once the file is saved and the sharing permissions are set correctly, your draw.io file is ready to share.